cartoon fishies swim across your screens? Well,
Come on, gang, let's get a roaster ready.
how about high-speed race car drivers zooming across your screens?
And more.
Gear up and join us in Hot Dog Hills with Mickey and the gang.
Okay, gang, let's roaster up. Good luck, Daisy. On your mark. Get set.
Whether it's a roadster race or a happy helper adventure in town.
Move out of the way.
These friends are set to go on an adrenaline-pumping adventure. It's time to race around the world. Let's go, go, go!
Let's go.
Join Mickey and the Roadster Racers Wednesday to Friday at 12 on 2.